Here in Meridian, many are worried about the possible spread of the coronavirus. Twin States News' Celeste Smith spoke with locals expressing their concerns.
According to the Center for Disease Control, the coronavirus, also known as COVID-19, has already spread throughout China and 31 other countries and territories, including the U.S. These cases of COVID-19 diagnosed in the United States have been found primarily in travelers from China and quarantine repatriates, and 2 cases were from close contacts with COVID-19 patients. Although there are some cases in the U.S., some Meridian residents aren't concerned about it impacting them.
I'm not so much concerned it coming over here. I know have been some cases come over here and stuff, but I feel like the government is pretty much, and the CDC is in control of what's going on.
I'm not worried about the coronavirus affecting me or this community, not really the United States, because biggest reason is President Trump has committed $2.5 billion to locking down our borders and keeping the contamination from other countries coming into this country.
While some are worried about coming in contact with the virus.
I think they let it get out of hand. They could have did something about it before they let all them people get sick and stuff. Then you got people on cruises getting sick. Then you got people quarantined. Then you got now where they want to house people, in Texas and other states like that. Then now you bringing the virus over here.
I'm actually a truck driver and I be from state to state. So it's a great concern of mine because I can come in contact with it at truck stops, stores, place of business where I'm delivering anywhere. So I'm more exposed than someone from Lauderdale County, Clark County, because I travel.
One resident offers advice to those who are worried about COVID-19.
I would advise people that if you don't need to go to those countries where the pandemic is going to be, then don't go. Stay here at home.
The Center for Disease Control website states that there are 53 cases of the coronavirus in the United States and that the U.S. government and health partners are implementing aggressive measures to contain the spread of the coronavirus in the country. In Meridian, I'm Celeste Smith with Twin States News.